Hi friends, this video shows how to connect to Wi-Fi. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. First we need to turn on Wi-Fi. Let me turn on. Below that you would be able to see nearby available Wi-Fi networks and mobile hotspot. From this list let me set Wi-Fi 2024. This is the name of the Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot that I am using. Select it. Then enter Wi-Fi password here. Okay, I have entered Wi-Fi password, then submit. Now it's connecting to Wi-Fi router. Please wait. Okay, connected. So this way we can connect to Wi-Fi. So you can try this. And here on the right side you can see IP address, signal strength. See. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.